Guys, I just want to inform you today's video is the same as yesterday's video. I noticed that because I uploaded the video so late last night, many of you have missed it. So I've decided to upload it again today. If you already saw it, you don't have to see it again unless if you want to. But if not, please stay tuned so you can keep watching it. Thanks for your understanding, and I will see you tomorrow, Tuesday. You will not get a video today, Monday. Please enjoy the video. Hey Glam Squad, what's up? This is Dalou. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. Woo! So today, you guys, my dining room table is here. Yes, you guys, I can't believe it. My table is here. I am super excited. And I just find out it's by safavieh. Safavieh is one of my favorite designers for furniture. And you know, like when you buy something online, they don't tell you, like you don't know who actually behind the furniture. So I'm so excited. Oh my God, I can't wait to see it. Oh, I'm so excited. Come on, Albie, open it up. Let's see what's in there. Oh my goodness, I'm so, oh my guys, I wish you guys could see me and my face. Oh my God. Let's see what's in here. These are the legs. Packaging seems to be okay so far.
There's nothing else.
There's nothing else. We have the instruction and the screws are in here. Yep.
And that's it.
I have a few accessories that I bought for my dining room. I am going to show them to you as well. But let me take this opportunity to welcome all of you who are new to my channel. I upload glam home decor and DIY videos. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as I upload. And please, if you like today's video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. And to you, my fellow Glam Squad, thank you so much for all of your love and support. Please follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Glam Style with Dalou. Putting the table together was a breeze, except in this leg my husband was having a little bit of difficulty. For some reason it was not going in. It took less than 1 hour, 15 minutes of that time spent on that leg. He is done with the legs. Now we're gonna get the glass out. By the way, the table is from Wayfair. Link will be in the description box. This is the little thank you note and instruction on how to care for the table. Super cool. Oh my God, you guys, the glass is so heavy. This is it, you guys, my new baby. Ah!
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
This is the bottom, you guys. It is so pretty, it is so beautiful. I love the acrylic legs and the gold mixed together, and the style of the bottom. It is so modern, so elegant. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this table. The work that I had for this area, I put it in my family room. Now I'm waiting for a new one.
I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk.
Glam Squad, what do you think about my new dining room table. It is for my everyday dining room. Please put a comment below. Let me know what you think. True story, I have been wanting to get a glass dining room table for the past 11 years. Now I'm going to show you the accessories that I got. Everything that I'm going to show you are from HomeGoods. Okay, so let me show you this beautiful warmer that I bought. I think it was, how much was it? It was $15. It is gorgeous. It's really, it has a nice shine to it. The camera is not picking it up properly, but it is really nice, and it is 72 inches, so I had to get two for when I'm using it in my formal dining room. I got another set. It's a gray silver edge. I really like it. It's very pretty. I have to stock up this season. As you know, my style is glam, and that's when I will find the most items. After that, you know how they are. The things are not as glam as they are as of right now, so I try to stock up as much as I can, so this way throughout the year I can always have new glam stuff. Yeah, this one is 90 inches and I think it was $13, something like that. I got two of them, of course. This charger, you guys, it is so beautiful, but you can definitely use it as a plate as well. I love the pearl looking type on it, and of course, you know, I love the border. It has the gold. It's different. I really like it. I guess I really like everything. Well, I bought them. I paid $7 for this one. I also got these two. They are very beautiful as well. Of course, you know, I like the gold accent on them. I guess if something has gold, I like it. The dessert plate was $2.99, and I think the plate was like $3 or $4.99. Also, I bought this bowl. I already had 4, now I bought 4 more, so I have a total of 8. They were $5.99 each. I love the gold worm. It's really nice. I like how it's a little bit traditional, but yet very modern. I also got some napkin as well, and with this one, they have the tablecloth version of it, just in case if you're interested. These are 12 napkins for $15. Not bad at all. Let me show you guys. Spring season is coming, so I got these as well. These are pink. Very nice and pretty one. These are 8 of them. For how much did I pay for this one? These were $10. Really nice. I really like these. I bought this set of bowls, 4 of them for $10. The shape and the color are great for fall. You guys will be seeing them in my fall decor next year. I bought some glam napkin rings for $10. These beautiful coasters are so gorgeous. I really like them. I love the peacock's blue purplish color. They are super pretty, and they were 4 for $8. I bought another set, same price, $8. I love the mirror embedded in them. It's real mirror, you guys. It's not fall or anything else. Like I said, I'm stacking up on my glam decor. I got another glam candle. I like this one a lot too, actually. It was $8. I got a giant candle, you guys. It smells so good. It's huge. $30. Okay guys, please show me your love by giving this video a thumbs up and share it with all of your friends and your family. hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you can get notified as soon as I upload a new video. I will see you tomorrow. I love you and thank you for your time today. Bye bye. Mwah.